Hello, good evening, friend. One problem from the Narana book that is asked by my student, and the problem is based on the electronegativity. And when you are, let us see the what the question is and how to solve this kind of problem. So if you see, they are saying that is XX, comma HH and HX bond energy are 104, 60 and 101 calorie, kilocalorie per mole. Assuming that electronegativity of hydrogen is to be 2.1, the electronegativity of X is okay. So halogen, they are asking the electronegativity of halogen. How we will be able to calculate? Let us see. Okay. So Pauling scale they have given Pauling scale. So Pauling scale is given by the equation. What the equation is, that is electronegativity EH minus minus EX. Okay, EH. This is the bond enthalpy of HX is given by the relation 0.208. 0.208. This is the empirical relation, and in bracket they have given what? That is the resonance enthalpy. That is the, either you can say delta, or that is you can say delta HB also, bond enthalpy you can say. Of this equation we can easily, because that is this electronegativity of hydrogen they have given how much? 2.1, and electronegativity of EX they are asking here in the question, that is X. So here is we have to calculate the delta value. So how to calculate the delta value, student? That we have to check. So if you want to calculate, that is delta value, delta. So delta is, that is also known as what, that is already I explained, that is this is the resonance energy. Of resonance energy, how to calculate? If you see the equation, this equation is, if you are checking, that is H2 plus X2. So it is giving what? It is giving 2HX. This is giving HX. Up here, how to calculate? That is the del value equal to, if you are going to calculate del value. So del value means product minus reactant. So product is how can we write? That is the bond enthalpy energy of EHX. Okay, EHX means that is product minus this will 2 will go this side. So 1 by 2 you can put here is, and in the bracket that is EH, what we can write? That is EHH, that is one reactant, plus what we will have to write? That is E, that is energy of, that is this bond, that is XX. That is what they have given in the question. Now you see, student, how to calculate. When you are going for the EHX, so they have 7 bond energy are given. How much given? EHX, if you talk about, so HX energy they have given 101. Okay, so here we are putting, that is 101 minus in bracket, that is minus, here will come, that is coefficient already there 1 by 2, and in a square bracket EHH, the first one is there EHH, and that's the energy is, if you are talking about the energy, 104. That is energy is 104 minus, if you are going, that is EXX. So how much is given here is, that is 60. So here will be the what, student? This will be the 60. Now you go the next step and try to calculate, that is the value of delta. So if you are going to calculate, here I am writing this, you try to understand. Del is equal to 101 minus, if you are watching this one 101, so after here if you are putting this one, this will come 4, and that is 44. Okay, here is the, if you subtract 44 divided by how much is coming? 2. So this is the square bracket. So 101 minus 22, 101 minus 22 equal to, it will come, if you are saying this one, it is coming 90. 44 by 2, it is not coming 90, 19. So how much is coming here, student? Here is the positive sign, here is positive. So this is the positive, not the negative sign. Here is the, this is the positive. So here is positive, and positive it means here you have to add this. Okay, I am sorry here by mistake. In the formula, if you are adding this one, so how much is 60 is there? If you add it out, so how much is coming, student? That is the 161. 161. Okay, 161 is there, and this 161. Wait, no. This there is the mistake. This mistakes I have to delta is equal to. I am writing little mistake is there, student. H is delta is equal to, that is 101 minus in bracket what we can do here is 104 plus 60 divided by 2. This one, if you divide from the formula, this 2 is there, and if you divide, it is coming 19. Okay, now what we can do, this 19 del value is 19, this value we can put here in the equation. So let us see what will happen if you are putting this del value in the equation. So here I am erasing the question and I am not erasing the option only. This is the NCERT this problem is from the Narayana book. Okay, that the page number 106. Okay, and question number 52. Now see, student, if you are putting that is EX minus EH. Okay, this H value they have given. Equal to, there is the equation is there 0.208. Here is 0.208 in a square bracket, that is resonance energy is there. Resonance value here we got 19. Of this value they have given. How much they have given, student? EX is equal to EX minus EH. EH value how much is there in the question? They have given 2.1. Electronegativity of hydrogen they have given 2.1 minus 0.208, and root 19 value in the question they have given 4.36. So multiply by 4.36. Now if you are calculating this, if you are multiplying this, let us see what is happening. So EX, if you are calculating, so EX is equal to, this will go that side, so it is, that is plus 2.1, and after multiplying, if you are multiplying this, students, so you will be able to get 0.87. Now EX, electronegativity of the halogen atom, if you are saying, that is you add it out, so it will go in 2.97 coming up. 2.97 means if you are putting the round figure, it will come EX is equal to, it will come 3. Now you check with the options, what are the options are there. In the option number, A is 3.5, B is the 3, C is 4, 2.5. So it is 2.97. It means the option number B is the correct option. You try to understand, student, this is the Pauling scale that has been already taught during the lecture. In this value, we have to calculate, that is resonance energy. Resonance energy, firstly you have to frame the equation. Okay, after framing the equation, what you will be able to get, that is product, bond enthalpy of product minus bond enthalpy of reactant equal to the resonance energy. This is the HX is the product, HX is product, HH is reactant, and XX is reactant. At these two coefficient, this will go this side, so it will be the in the division. So 101, this is HX value 1 by 2 is square bracket, HH value 104 plus XX value is 60. If you simplify this all, so you will get, that is del value is 19, and 19 value they have given in the question 4.36. After multiplying EX, electronegativity of halogen, you will get 2.97.